In the last video, we filled the color inside the line walk using the Live Paint bucket tool. If you haven't seen that one yet, I'll link it in the description because this video is basically the next step. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the outfit colors quickly in Illustrator without rebuilding anything. First, I'm going to delete this old dress outline layer. In the previous video, we adjusted the line walk inside the color fill layer group, so I want my outfit layer to match those updated lines. So here's the clean way to do it. In the Layers panel, I'll select the Color Fill Layer group. Then I'll click this Layers panel menu and choose Duplicate Color Fill. Now I'll hide the original color fill layer for a second and I'll rename the duplicate to Outline. Right now, this duplicate is still a Live Paint group, so let's convert it back to normal line walk. Go to Object, Live Paint, then select Release. Perfect. Now it's no longer Live Paint, so we can use it as our outline layer. Now let's bring the original color fill layer back. Alt-10 color fill back on, select it, and duplicate it. This duplicate is going to be my black version, so I'll rename it Color Fill Black. If you want different colors for different pieces, select pieces individually and change the fill. If you want one color for the whole outfit, just select the entire group and change the fill once. Let's do it by session so you can see the idea clearly. I'll select the Ruffle group. I want black for the fill and a softer outline. For now, I'm going to set the fill to gray first because I can swap it in a second. And I already have black set for the stroke. Now I'll click this double arrow icon to swap the fill and stroke colors. Next, I'll select the Skirt group. Same idea, stroke to gray. And I'll try a different fill color here just as an example. Now the bodice group. And I'll use red for this one. But for my final look, I actually want black fill and gray stroke, so I'm going to switch those colors back again. Now let's make a white version. I'll duplicate the color fill layer group again and rename it Color Fill White. This time I'm not going piece by piece. I'll just select the whole group and change the fill to white. And that's it. Now you can create multiple colorways of the same outfit just by duplicating your color fill layer and recoloring it. If you want to learn how I build my digital fashion dress template library, check the link in the description. I'll add it as soon as that video is live.